Hello guys, so this is day 24 of Product Hunt. So we here in this channel we understand what are the latest trends in the product space and see the latest products around it and try to understand from them. So let's look at here the Vowel 1.0, the easiest way to have productive meetings. Oh nice. So this is the need of the hour, I guess. The productivity stats of remote working are at an all-time low according to some studies. So yeah, these things.
I know, there are some differences. One's got the buttons over here, how there's like a ton of video conference tools, but they're all pretty much the same. I know, there are some differences. One's got the buttons over here and the windows over there, but none of them improve our actual meetings. We're still scribbling notes and getting off track and forgetting half of what was said, like always. Vowel is transforming meetings. Vowel isn't another video conference tool. It's a collaboration tool that makes meetings more productive. Vowel creates a running transcript of every meeting, so instead of furiously scribbling notes, you can immerse yourself in the conversation. When someone makes a good point, you can mark it and tag the people who need to know, even if they're not in the meeting. If you ever need a specific line from a meeting weeks ago, just search, and voila, it's right there, transcript and video. This isn't another video conference tool. This is a whole new way of having meetings. Sign up for Vowel and start having better meetings today.
I think so. These kind of features are already provided in some of the leading video conferencing tools like Making to do notes and all. So I don't quite understand what is the USP they are bringing here. And one of the main thing which we are lacking here is that bringing the fun part to the meeting, which is kind of the need of the hour. So I hope if they do that, I think so it will be a better thing to have. Cool. Then send targeted product research campaigns faster. Okay.
Potential testers for product research can come from anywhere, but identifying the participants is another ballgame. That's why we created Reach, the participant management tool that learns while you work, so you can curate a dynamic database for your product research. Group participants into segments based on user traits and metrics, so you can send targeted research to the right people with email campaigns, and consolidate tools by bringing participants to the place where research happens. While you're collecting learnings and unblocking product decisions, Reach is picking up on engagement and optimizing your database for future research. Ready to amp up your product decisions? Reach the right participants.
This is awesome. This is a very nice concept, like regarding the market research and stuff like that. Curate your very own database of engaged research participants with Reach, where you can turn lists into segments and automatically capture audience insights, as you said, in campaigns. Think CRM just for product research. Awesome. This is something else, man. CRM for product research. Meet your new personal journalist.
What if the news was written just for you? Hi, I'm Jim, founder of Charlie, and I hate the way that the news is delivered today. So much of the way that news is written and delivered is about grabbing your attention. It's designed to make you anxious and irritated about the world because that keeps you hooked. Of course, terrible things happen, but they can be reported without preying on your fears. I believe that there is a better way to deliver the news, which is why I've built Charlie, your personal journalist. Now imagine you were friends with a great independent journalist, someone you can chat to anytime you like. Charlie is that friend. A digital assistant with access to the world's major news sources, delivering you news in a way designed for your emotional health. With access to this huge range of news sources, Charlie helps you read stories from across the spectrum, from reputable independent publishers, and from around the world. Now, because Charlie remembers what you've both discussed, we can help make sure that you cover all the topics that are important, avoiding rabbit holes and information overload. What matters to Charlie is that you know a little about all the stories that matter to you. Unlike so many other publishers and aggregators, we deliver your news without exploiting your attention or your privacy. We're very open with you about your reading habits, yet we never share this data with anyone else. We have no cookies, no trackers, and you can chat to Charlie anonymously. Charlie is available to download wherever you are, on your phone, in your browser, or even hands-free via Siri. Why not have a look today at charlie.news?
Awesome. Making you use a sentiment analytics tool to understand the sentiment of the news and curate the content according to your taste towards like what is your intake for the week. This is something extraordinary, man. Actionable marketing, I would like to use it also. I wonder if it works with Indian news. Actionable marketing lessons for indie hackers. Nice. Social media marketing piloted by playbook. Understanding how things work. Nice. Helping people learn about transitioning their careers to web3. So there has been a lot of progress around in web3 space. I really need to understand this space, man. I don't understand this concept very well. I have to do this. Generate more leads with social proof, including videos.
Who wouldn't like to improve their website conversion rates? Especially when you can do it in a single tool and in minutes. First, you can have all your social proof consolidated into one place from different review platforms, from spreadsheets, from anywhere. Then you can easily display social proof on your website with a beautiful design. You can also track conversions and A/B test what content to show on your website. If you don't have enough high-quality social proof yet, don't worry. You can collect unlimited reviews and testimonials, including video testimonials. Let me introduce you to a solution covering all of this. Trust Mary Solo. Sign up and see what Trust Mary Solo can do for you in minutes.
Awesome. In database machine learning. Oh,
Hello, I'm here to show you a simple step.
such a long video, man.
There's a table.
We are an open source project that helps you do machine learning using SQL directly from database. Okay, built by an active community of developers with a mission to simplify machine learning by allowing any ML framework to be used from inside database. CloudMinds DB. I'm not going to create an account. Of course not. Beautiful community driven documentation for 300 plus CLI tools. Nice. This is awesome. Free Chrome extension to save anything to online whiteboards. Everything in one place. Okay. Where the best tiny projects are required. Oh. This is awesome. I wonder what are the success stories here, like how are like tiny organization, what kind of tiny organizations are being acquired. This is awesome. Something very out of the ordinary. Do DIY your unique logo and be in charge from day one. Typogram.
The logo, do you think of this image? Icon on the left, brand name tag. Professional brands cannot be it.
What do we do here? Logo design. This far. Next we have help desks and live chat for Shopify. There are many Shopify based tools nowadays. Isn't Shopify already providing this? What is Shopify doing if it is not providing these important things? Life science alternatives to Google Sheet.
Current software to focus on
Okay. Best time or not there's the next time. There were these tools like this for such purpose, like finding the best times, and it got like a number one position some days back also. Right click on it and reveal if it's fake. Oh, nice. So yeah, so we have reviewed the products today. Let's see what were our favorite products for today. So I think so that would be tiny acquisitions one. So I really like the idea, and if they are providing some success stories, that is a very nice product to explore. And then after that we have MindsDB, but the only problem with that is that I cannot use it right away. And the third thing would be Reach. So yeah, these were my takeaways for today. First was tiny acquisition. The second one was MindsDB, and third one was Reach. Thank you for tuning in.